all engine oil are same? Think again. What if I told you that the engine oil you're using right now might be harming your car instead of protecting it? Using the right motor oil can give you an added 26 miles per gallon, while using the wrong one leads to sludge buildup, overheating, poor fuel efficiency, and even complete engine failure. So, what are the right engine oils? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to debunk the biggest oil myths that mechanics and oil companies don't want you to know. If you want your engine to last longer and save you cash, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started. First, let's debunk the common oil myths. Myth number 1. Dark oil means it's time for a change. Many drivers panic when they check their oil and see it's dark. But here's the truth. Dark oil doesn't always mean bad oil. Oil naturally darkens as it does its job, collecting dirt and contaminants to keep your engine clean. The real way to know if your oil needs changing is by checking its texture. If it feels gritty, sludgy, or thick, then it's time for a change. Fresh oil isn't always golden and clear. It can darken quickly while still working perfectly fine. With today's synthetic oils, most cars can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes. Some high-performance oils can even last 15,000 miles. The only reason you'd need a 3,000-mile change is if you're using the cheapest conventional oil in extreme conditions. Myth number 2. Synthetic oil will damage older engines. This is one of the biggest lies about synthetic oil. Some people think synthetic is too slippery or too thin for older engines and will cause leaks. This is false for modern synthetic oils. This was true for early synthetic oils that contained different chemical compositions that could shrink rubber seals and gaskets, leading to leaks in older engines. However, modern synthetic oils are engineered with seal conditioners that help keep seals pliable and prevent leaks. If an engine starts leaking after switching to synthetic, it likely had pre-existing worn-out seals that were being masked by sludge buildup from conventional oil. Synthetic oil simply cleaned out the gunk, revealing existing leaks. Regular maintenance and using high-quality synthetic oil can actually extend seal life and prevent leaks in the long run. Myth number 3. You can't switch between oil types. Some drivers believe that once you use synthetic oil, you can never go back to conventional oil, or that mixing them will destroy your engine. This is completely false. This was a concern decades ago when early synthetic oils contained different additives that sometimes caused seal shrinkage. However, modern synthetic and conventional oils are fully compatible and can be mixed or switched between with no harm to your engine. The key is to use the right viscosity and API certification for your engine. If you switch to synthetic, you may notice improved performance, better cold starts, and longer oil change intervals compared to conventional oil. Myth number 4. Engine oil additives improve performance. Many aftermarket oil additives claim to increase engine life, reduce friction, and improve fuel efficiency. That's a total myth. The truth is, most modern engine oils already come with all the additives your engine needs for optimal performance. Engine oils are carefully formulated with detergents, anti-wear agents, antioxidants, and viscosity improvers right out of the bottle. These additives are already designed to provide the best protection for your engine's needs. When you add extra performance-boosting additives, you risk messing with the oil's balance and could even reduce its effectiveness. Unless your vehicle manufacturer specifically recommends an additive, it's best to rely on high-quality oil that meets the required specifications. Myth number 5. Thicker oil is always better for high-mileage engines. This myth is so widespread that many drivers believe that the thicker the oil, the better it will protect an aging engine. However, the truth is far simpler. Oil viscosity isn't about thick or thin, It's about what's right for your engine. Your engine is designed to run on oil with a specific viscosity to ensure proper lubrication, cooling, and smooth operation. For high-mileage engines, the key isn't just going for thicker oil, it's about using the correct viscosity recommended by your manufacturer. If you use oil that's too thick, it can actually create problems. For one, it can make the engine harder to turn over during cold starts, leading to unnecessary wear. On the other hand, oil that's too thin won't provide enough protection, especially if your engine has more wear and tear. So, don't fall for the thicker is better myth. Always go with what's recommended for your specific engine. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tips and tips. Let's move forward. Ever wondered what the different types of engine oils are? Let's break down the main types of oils so you can make the best choice for your car. Number 1. Conventional oil. Conventional oil is the most common and cheapest option on the market, made directly from refined crude oil. It's been used for decades and works fine for simple older engines or low-mileage driving. However, it breaks down quickly under high temperatures and heavy loads, meaning you'll need to change it more often, sometimes as frequently as every 3,000 miles. Another downside is that it doesn't offer the same level of protection against engine wear as synthetic oils. If you're driving an older car that doesn't demand high-performance lubrication, conventional oil can work. But if you want better engine longevity, it might not be your best bet. Number 2. Synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is engineered in a lab to provide superior lubrication and protection for your engine. It resists breakdown at high temperatures, meaning it lasts significantly longer. Some synthetic oils can go 10,000 to 15,000 miles between changes. It also reduces friction better than conventional oil, which means less engine wear and better fuel efficiency. Another big advantage is it keeps your engine cleaner by preventing sludge buildup. If you drive a modern car, a high-performance vehicle, or live in extreme weather conditions, synthetic oil is the best option. Yes, it costs more upfront, but it saves you money in the long run by protecting your engine better and extending oil change intervals. Number 3. Synthetic blend. Are you unable to decide between conventional and synthetic? Then synthetic blend oil is a best option for you. It gives you a bit of both. It's a mix of synthetic and conventional oils, offering better protection than conventional oil without the full price of synthetic. This type is great for drivers who want extra durability without spending top dollar. It also provides better resistance to oxidation and high temperatures, making it a solid choice for trucks, SUVs, and vehicles that carry heavy loads. If you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade from conventional oil but aren't ready to go full synthetic, a synthetic blend is a smart compromise. Number 4. High-mileage oil. If your car has over 75,000 miles, switching to high-mileage oil might be one of the best decisions you can make. This oil contains special additives designed to reduce wear and tear on older engines, including seal conditioners that help prevent oil leaks. Over time, engine seals can dry out and shrink, causing oil leaks, but high-mileage oil helps keep them soft and flexible. If your car is starting to burn oil or develop small leaks, switching to high-mileage oil could help slow down these issues. It's not just about mileage. If you've got an older car and want to keep it running smoothly, this oil is worth considering. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to fuel up the confidence, and share your thought in the comments section.